Two prominent law firms, Jenner and Block and WilmerHale, are suing the U.S. government to challenge an executive order by President Trump that revoked their security clearances and restricted their access to federal work. The order cited the firm's involvement in investigations into Trump as the basis for the restrictions, including Mueller's investigation into any Russian collusion in 2016.
Well, I'm just going to comment on this real quick. I believe those law firms should not have security clearance right now, no longer, because they no longer need it, right? So for them to sue the president over something that they shouldn't have access to at least anymore, I feel like that's nonsense. Doesn't make sense to me personally. And I guess these are the same individuals that tried to prosecute him. So if I was Trump too, bro, I would literally do the same shit. The same goes to how he's taking away all the clearances from Biden, Kamala Harris, the Biden family. Take it away. Obama, there's no longer, you don't need to be debriefed on nothing. You don't need no clearance anymore. You're no longer the president. You're no longer high power. The law firms definitely don't need no goddamn clearance, because we gonna figure out what you was doing, who was lied to, why you was lying to us, why did you prosecute me, who told you to do it, why did you do it. So then now eventually those two law firms gonna probably be sued by the government because of their role they played in prosecuting Donald Trump. I think that's reasonable to think, right? But for them to try to sue the government because they lost the clearance, bro, that's the president. He gonna take your clearance if he don't think you should have your clearance, bro. And since you're also not the government and you are a law firm, nobody's gonna fight that. I don't think the judge is gonna back it. I don't think that anybody's gonna kind of be on the side of lawyers or any law firm that has access to clearances that they no longer need anymore. So at one point they maybe did need it to prosecute the former president, but at this point you no longer need those security clearances. So hasta luego. You get what I'm saying? You gotta go. Nobody, you can't have them, bro. It's fairly simple. I don't know why they're arguing. You know, we live in a society now where people, they know they're wrong, they know they're doing wrong, but they still fighting to oppose the opposite reason. You know what I'm saying? Because they feel like, well, it's kind of like, let me give you an example. It's kind of like when you're a kid and you've been doing trouble and you've been doing whatever you want and the parents ain't say nothing to you because they just didn't want to say nothing to you. Now they're saying something to you and you think that you're entitled to doing that action. But no, you can't do that action no more because now I'm enforcing it. It's the whole legal situation is like, well, I was letting you get away with it. Now I'm not letting you get away with it. Now it's ass whooping time. That's kind of like the conversation I'm thinking about this. At this moment, I feel like this law firm that's trying to sue the government, they probably feel entitled too. They probably feel super entitled that they had the clearance and it was snatched away from them. Well, you shouldn't have had the clearance anyway. The former president gave it to you. It's only right that the new president that you tried to prosecute with the former president takes it away. So y'all tell me what y'all think in the comment section about these two major, basically that's what the video is about. It was like two major law firms are trying to sue the DOJ because Donald Trump removed their clearance. Bro, you tried to prosecute the man. What do you expect? I think that it was gonna come. Anybody that did anything to Trump, don't expect nothing to happen. You know what I'm saying? Don't expect not a raid, an investigation, a federal investigation happen. Don't not expect it. You know what I'm saying? So expect something that's gonna happen soon if you was involved in prosecuting Donald Trump. Believe me, he gonna find out because he knew it was a witch hunt. So now he gonna get all the people that got their clearances, who got pardons, Fauci, all them, he gonna start going after them. I'm not saying in a malicious way, but he gonna use the government to find things like they tried to find on him. I'm not saying he should do it, but what do you expect when you use the DOJ, you use the government against the former president of the United States? You gotta expect when he gets back in order, something might happen. So Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comment section. It's your boy Angelo So Savage, man. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and it's your boy Peace. Stay tuned. Go watch some more videos, man. I'm lit. Peace.